It might be afternoon or evening when you see this. I haven't exactly figured out when I'm going to post this video, but I'm super excited for y'all to see it. Okay, y'all know I've been dipping into some nails. So, a lot, so, I mean, words. Cherie from Just Nailed It. Actually, a lot of the ladies use a certain brand, an indie brand, small business called She Modern. I believe the owner's name is Kim. So I bought three polishes from She Modern's website. Now, Miss Kim does talk a lot about Amazon. You can get her products on Amazon. So I was like, let's do a comparison. See how much I can get from the website versus Amazon. And wow, the difference. On the website, it is $9 per bottle, which, I mean, okay. It's stamping polish, so you only use a little bit at a time. I get that. $9. I'm okay with that. And I did. I bought 3 of them. And then I was like, I saw that she had, you could become an affiliate. And I was like, okay, well, let's sign up with the affiliate program, see what happens. I was accepted. I'm like, what? Okay. So I do have a code. I can't remember off the top of my head what it is. I will put it in the description. So if you would like to use the website, then you can use my code to save, I want to say it's 10%. Now, that being said, you can go to Amazon because the 3 that I bought were $9 a piece plus shipping. Now, if you have Amazon Prime, let's see, those 3, I believe they came up to like 30 with shipping. I want to say 35 or 36. Amazon Prime is free shipping, and I got 12 polishes for $47. I'm just saying. Now, that being said, there's a select few on Amazon. I would say her basics. Now, if you want like the color changing ones, or there's another one, the glow in the dark ones, you have to go to her website. Those are different. They're still $9, but those are different. You can't get those on Amazon. So this is the one from the website. Okay, I opened the bag because I saw how hard of a time that Cherie was having opening her bag. She just did one of her She Modern unboxings as well. And I already took this one out. It just has this. This is the Amazon box. Oh, and I got this little thingy too. It opens up so you can grab onto a cotton ball and you can, with your plates, excuse me, just opened up a bubbly. This one is blueberry pomegranate. All right, so let's open this one up. This one is from the website. Okay, so it's very well packaged. I don't know why it's such a big box for 3 polishes. Okay. Did she hit the wrong person? That's more than 3 polishes. That's a whole lot of polishes. Did I just get a whole bunch of freebies? What happened? Okay, I may have to contact her. I don't know if this is right. I only ordered 3. Good Lord. What on earth? There's no paper in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cherie, what happened? Miss Kim, if you're watching, I only ordered 3. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so this is the white to violet. So this is a temperature one. I did order, I'm pretty sure, oh, I'm on my phone. I ordered a temperature one, and I ordered a glow-in-the-dark one, and I can't remember. This is a golden purple. This is a stamping jelly. That's a purple. That's pretty. Oh, with gold flecks. I see. Okay. This is a white to melon temperature hot cold. That's going to be fun. Aquatic purple stamping jelly polish. Those are pretty. There's a lot of purple. Diamond sparkle purple jelly stamping polish. This one is a white to turquoise. Ooh, cold to hot temperature. So yes, these are very small for $9, but you have to remember these are stamping polishes. You only use a small amount. You're not, I mean, I guess it's your money. If you wanted to do all of your nails in this color, you can. It's your money. It's your product. Solid vibrant stamping jelly polish in purple. Okay. And now these ones with the strange lids. Oh, that's because these ones are powders. Oh. Okay, so these ones are actual polish, like the liquid polish. These ones are pigments. Oh. Okay. All right, so we got, this one's a glow in the dark, blue to purple, pigment. So you probably put your nail polish down, and you just tap, like, with a brush, kind of blend it in, maybe? I'm going to have to find a video on that one. Hot to cold, yellow to emerald green temperature. That's a glow in the dark, right? Yeah. Green to green, so it must be like a light green, dark green situation. This is a pigment. That's a glow in the dark. Okay. So this is a temperature one. Clear to orange. I think I purchased this one. I know I got a glow in the dark and a temperature. I'm not sure. Pink to fuchsia. This is the one that I purchased. Pink to fuchsia. Okay. Wow. Is it because I'm an ambassador now? An affiliate? I don't know what you call it. They're pretty much the same. Okay, so I'm a little shocked. That was my 3 that I bought. Now this one is from Amazon. And these ones are supposed to just be a straight stamping polish. I want to have fun with the glow in the dark and the temperature ones, but for when I'm doing like nail art, I really wanted solid pigments so that they show up really well. Now this is from Amazon. There's no way that there's extra polishes in this one. I did order from her website on the other one, which is probably why she probably packed the order herself. So, and again, this has a little thank you right there, packed the same way. Okay, I'm just throwing this squiggly stuff away. Yeah, so this is gonna just be the 12 that I ordered, because I think Amazon, she doesn't have anything to do with that part. She like sends it to them kind of thing. I don't know, we're about to find out. 2, 4, whoops, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, thank God. Okay, so this one is an orange, watercolor polish. No, that doesn't say orange. I'm sorry. Opaque seaweed is the color. And then a purple. So there's a seaweed. That's the seaweed. And that's the purple. And they're the She Modern. And these are all going to be the liquids. And then we have a ruby and a sapphire. Ruby, sapphire. Okay, and then we have a straight black and a teal. Okay, black, a teal. And then, where'd you go? Oh yeah, you do want to mix them up. I couldn't figure out why the side and the back were different colors. Plus they've been in the box. Ooh. Okay, I'm done. This one's an orange. Sienna. Sienna. It's kind of like a burnt orange color, maybe. I can't really tell. But there's the 2 colors. I keep showing you guys the back sides, but they need to be they need to be shaken. Shaken, not stirred. Nope. Ruby and sapphire. Didn't we just have a ruby and sapphire? Didn't I just say that? Am I picking from the wrong ones? Teal and black. I am. I'm re-showing you guys everything. Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, Steven in person. Okay, over here. White. Oh, cool. White and red. Now, these are not jelly, so they don't go in the lamp. White and red. But once you stamp it on, it's going to dry pretty quick. Okay, that's a bright pink. And then yellow. Okay. And she does have something that will be coming out next week, and I'm definitely gonna have to get my hands on it. It's called a blooming polish. Y'all, she was showing us those. Oh, Malanta. I cannot wait to get my hands on those bloomin' polishes. Ma'am. That's going to be fun AF. Okay, so there we go. That is my She Modern haul. I now have 24 new polishes. I went from having 2 stamping polishes to 26 polishes. Okay, well, Miss Kim, thank you very much. If those were some extras, because I'm now an affiliate, I greatly appreciate it. I will be contacting you to make sure that's what this is, because I don't want to get somebody else's order. But yeah, that's it. I'm super excited. Again, I do have a discount code if you want to go to shemodern.com, and I will leave that in the description because I don't remember what it was. Actually, hold on. Okay, it's Christine 10. That's it. Christine 10. Pretty simple. Yay. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching and hanging out, and I'm going to be doing some shorts. I will show you guys some of the different polishes and what they look like. So stay tuned for that. And of course, we'll be using them for some upcoming nail collabs as well. So, okay, until next time, see y'all later. Bye.